When vehicle manufacturers are looking at building and designing a vehicle, they have to make a phenomenal amount of compromises. Well, when you and I own that vehicle, we can start to narrow it down and really customize that vehicle to suit our requirements. And that's where the Terrain Tamer disc brake conversion comes into play. Terrain Tamer has developed a system where you can convert your drum brakes on certain vehicles over to a disc brake system and give you up to a 30% braking efficiency increase in the rear brake assembly. And that is a huge improvement. Now, there's a number of significant advantages to running disc brakes in your vehicle. Firstly, they're really good at handling the off-road four-wheel drive environment, and there's a number of reasons for that. Firstly, they don't hold the mud and water that can be found in the off-road environment. They tend to be able to handle that by clearing it away from the braking surface. That's a good thing off-road. But they're really good at dissipating heat, and when you apply the brakes, that's what happens, is you generate heat. You turn kinetic energy into heat. So if you have a braking system that can dissipate that heat, then the brakes are going to be better and more efficient. And that's why we want to install disc brakes in a situation where we're towing heavy loads or we're carrying heavy loads, or just a vehicle where you want the best braking performance that you can have. And that's where you would install the Terrain Tamer disc brake conversion. So what comes in the kit? You're going to get 2 disc rotors, and these are the premium Terrain Tamer rotors that are slotted. You're also going to get a Kevlar ceramic brake pad that gives you a superior braking performance. You'll get 2 new backing plates that come with a handbrake mechanism ready to go so that you can maintain your handbrake system. You're going to have 2 caliper mounting plates and 2 brand new calipers, 2 new wheel bearings, and some brake hoses that are required for the kit. And all of that kit is ADR approved, so you're not going to compromise the safety of your vehicle. It's going to remain compliant with all of the rules of the land. You will require the services of a professional four-wheel drive workshop to have this kit fitted up to your four-wheel drive. Now, Terrain Tamer do a very wide range of different braking solutions for different four-wheel drives out there on the market. So make sure you give the team a call and find out what solutions they have that can assist you in increasing and improving your braking performance. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails. Terrain Tamer have a 50-year-old promise to deliver quality engineered four-wheel drive parts.